for a pair of headphones but on a budget? Well, stay with me now because I'm here to review some. I'm Warhead and this is the Bluedio Hurricane Turbine. Okay, so let's start here. This is the box. Okay, so this is the front. On the front you'll find a diagram of your headphones, a little signs talking about the unrivaled powerful bass, the Turbine logo, and the Bluedio logo and slogan. So let's turn over to the back. On the back you'll find a hurricane logo, a diagram of your headphones, only this time their speakers have been taken apart to show you what they're like on the inside. Around the headphones you'll find some writing which will be the specs, although I'll be going over the specs later, so there's no need to worry about that. On this side you'll find some little icons. These will be showing a picture version of some of the specs, although, like I said, there's no need to worry about it because I'll be going over them later. Okay, turning over to the other side, there are yet again more specs. It seems the Bluedio has gone absolutely spec mad. Okay, now, what you've all been waiting for, it's time to unbox these babies. Okay, down here you should find a seal, not an but a seal as in sealing the thing down. But I've used these already, so I have taken it off. Now to open her up, pull up this flap and lift off the top. And now you're presented with your headphones, which are around the side, and in the middle you'll find two cables. Your jack lead, which can be used to plug into the headphones and attach to your phone, or attach other headphones to your headphones. You'll also find a USB to micro USB charging cable for obvious reasons, and a user manual giving yet again more specs and information about the headphones, although probably you won't be needing them because that's why you're here to watch this video. So, goodbye, piece of paper. And now these are the headphones themselves. There's nothing else in the box, unless you're counting this piece of plastic here, but we don't need either of those anymore, so chuck them away. And now let's take a closer look at these wonderful headphones. So here we are, the Bluedio Hurricane Turbine Bluetooth headphones. Here you'll find a Bluedio logo in this shiny thing, and yeah, it makes a nice sound when you scratch it. You probably can't hear it. And there is some writing. You probably won't be able to see it because of the lighting, but it says Bluetooth headphone around the top and Hurricane Turbine around the bottom. On the bottom you will find your micro USB charging port, sorry. And on the side here, you'll find your buttons. This is a volume buttons. Volume up, volume down. This is your power button, although it has other uses, so you've got to hold it down to turn it on or off. And now this thing does look like a volume wheel, but it's not. It's for skipping and going back and playing and pausing. So to go forward, you got to pull it forward, down, like that, this, and to go back, you got to push it up, and to play or pause, you got to press down on the actual button. Okay, up here it is telling you about the drive units, which are two 57mm speakers. Okay, moving on to the top, we have some comfy padding here, and on the top of the padding it has a Turbine logo. Okay, on this side you have the same Bluedio logo and the text telling you that it is a Bluetooth headphone and it's the Hurricane Turbine. And you also have the Hurricane logo. And now on the bottom we have our 3.5mm jack input for the jack cable, like I said earlier. Now let's move on to specs. Drive units are two speakers and they're both 57mm. The transducer type is dynamic and the Bluetooth version is the latest version 4.1. The frequency response is 2.4 GHz to 2.48 GHz. The operating distance is up to 10 meters free space. The Bluetooth profiles are A2DP, AVRCP, HSP, and HFP. The speaker impedancy is 16 ohms. The frequency response to that is 20 to 20 kilohertz. The sensitivity is 110 decibels. The THD is less than 1%. The music time is about 40 hours. Talk time is about 45 hours. Standby time is about 1625 hours, which is around 50 days. And the fully charged time is about 2 hours. And the operating environment is minus 10 to 50 degrees. Now, pricing. For headphones as good as these, they're surprisingly cheap. They cost only $22.79 on Amazon UK or $29.79 on Amazon US. These headphones have been reduced from around 80 UK pounds or 125 US dollars. So now you know more about these headphones, you can decide for yourself. Do you think they are good enough? I thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please, if you want to, hit that like button, and if you want to check out more of my videos, head over to my channel, and maybe, again it's your choice, maybe you could possibly subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Now, the warhead launches.